Hi babes, LASHAI TRIELE here. Curious to see how I made this blue beauty with these pink and yellow highlights stripped in the front. Stay tuned, hunty, okay? And make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications, hunty. I would love to see you come back.
I am a big boss bitch. I do not come in your side. Look, I am a big boss bitch. I do not come in your side. Look, I've been hardworking and humble, but believe me, I heard of the mumble. I'm just gonna leave it alone, cause I will put burners for bundles. Bitches is miserable, they are so typical. Hating is cheap, now my material.
I am a big boss bitch. I do not come in size. No. Ow. Okay. All right, hunty. So we are starting off with, of course, Kiss Colors. I have 2 bottles of Blue Moonlight. I have this beautiful atomic pink, and I'm using this new brand called Good Die Young. I think this one was called, the box is too bright to see. It's yellow, honey, okay? I think it's Don't Steal My Sunshine, something like that. So, of course, starting off with the Bianca unit. Yes, you can get this unit from my website. It is a 613 bob. It does come with adjustable straps, as well as combs as well. It is a 13x6 frontal. So, of course, that means more party space, hunty. Who don't want more party space? I know you do, okay? All right. So, let's get it popping. So I'm going to go ahead and section off this small part where I'm going to have my highlights, okay? So just to make sure that this little section is smooth and slick down out of my freaking way, make sure that none of that blue gets onto here. I'm gonna go ahead and I spread a little bit of water and leave-in conditioner on there, and then just pin it to the side. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these colors into the bowl. I did not dilute any of these colors. I wanted them to be as vibrant as possible and true to the tone as possible. So of course I'm gonna pour the atomic pink in there, pouring the Blue Moonlight into this bottle. I'm talking, girl, into the bowl. I don't know what in the world be wrong with me. How I be getting these words mixed up. It ain't a cup, it's a bowl. Okay, all right. Wake up, hunty. So this is the tube that the Good Die Young comes in. I really like these tubes because they are sealed, hunty. Yes, I love that freshness seal. I love it. So we're gonna take the seal off. I'm gonna go ahead and pour this into its own bottle. And like I said, I did not dilute any of these colors. I wanted them to be as true to their tone as possible, you know, to keep everything good. Oh, sorry, I lied. So I did dilute a little bit of the yellow just because it was so thick. I didn't want it to be so thick. Plus I'm using this yellow for the next two wigs. I did all of these wigs like within a 2 or 3 day span. I'm gonna take 2 days. So I colored all of them in like 2 days. All these colorful wigs that I'm throwing out to you guys right now. So I colored all of those. And of course I'm gonna go ahead and put blue all over this bad baby right here, okay? I'm gonna make sure that I get this blue absolutely everywhere except for that highlight piece that I separated at the top, okay? Stay tuned, babies. Keep watching.
Soundstripe. Soundstripe.
So yes, babes, throughout this process, you do see me taking chunky pieces and coloring the chunky pieces, but I'm also combing the color through to make sure that it gets through to every strand. So I am splitting this up, the hair, although the footage is sped up, I am splitting this hair up and making sure that I get it to get it on absolutely every single strand. And that 2 bottles was like more than enough for this entire wig. Like it was perfect. So what you also see me doing is at the top, I'm going to take that little edge control comb and I'm going to go over it with the edge control comb closer to where the lace is, just so you be a little bit more careful that I'm not getting any of that color onto the lace, which is not 100% avoidable, but it is avoidable. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do. So now that I'm up here to the top, to the tip top, so yes, I'm starting with my atomic pink, and I'm going to cover this down to the roots as much as I can, again without getting this color onto the lace. Like I said, it's not totally avoidable, but for the most part, it's about 98% avoidable. So you may have like a little speck here, speck there, a little bit of color here, a little bit of color there, but overall everything is A1. So I'm going to split this down into sections and make sure that I get as much of this pink onto the roots of this hair right here as much as possible, And now I brought this pink down about 35% of the hair, and I'm going to go ahead and put yellow onto the rest of that nice yellow color. See how bright and vibrant that is? Like, you guys, that brand Good Die Young lasts so long. Like, I don't even know. You can get so many washes out of that. And it's very expensive, but it's 100% worth it. So what you see me doing here is just rubbing the pink and the yellow together to create a nice orange. I didn't want to add an orange in the middle of there. I just wanted to mix the yellow and the pink to make it, let it do its job, let it do what it do. And then make that really, really nice, bright, vibrant orange with the mix of that pink, because that atomic pink is really, 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 really bright and vibrant. So I'm going to go ahead and let that sit there for about a good 30-45 minutes to make sure that the hair gets completely on there. And after I washed it and blow dried it, this is how it looks. Yes, hunty. Let me know what y'all think so far, okay? Because I was in love. Yeah, okay, all right. And yes, I did see this this look. It was a similar wig to this one. Someone else had did it, but they did it with a lace closure. So I wanted to recreate this one with a frontal, okay? All right. So my next task is just to go ahead and straighten out the hair. I'm just straightening the roots with a flat, what is this thing called? With a hot comb, girl. I don't know why girl, I do not know. Okay, all right, honey. I know it's a hot comb. I don't know why I can't get it out though. So I'm gonna straighten with the hot comb, and I'm also gonna run it down with my carbon comb and my Baby Bliss Pro Titaniums to make it absolutely bone straight as possible, baby.
Soundstripe. Soundstripe. Soundstripe.
So as always, I wanted to mold the hair down. I'm using my Got To Be mousse to do so. So I'm just going to put that down. And you do see me putting baby hairs on here. But honestly, like with my color wigs, I've been trying to stay away from the baby hairs because I feel like it just, you know, as long as they're not installed, I'll try to keep the baby hairs off of the original wig. Just because I don't want to bother with it. I don't want to add anything extra. The colors are already extra, and I feel like the baby hairs are extra. So what I did do is I did take my hot comb while it was about, I think it was about 95% dry with the mousse on there, and I just ran the comb through there and then combed the freaking baby hairs out because I just wasn't feeling the baby hairs. Like, I molded them on there, but I wasn't feeling them like that, okay? All right. So of course, after I molded everything, I went through and curled it. Yes, hunty, y'all know I love popping some curls and some hair with my Baby Bliss Pro Titaniums. They are that deal, hunty. Yes, if you don't have any, get you some, okay? So the type of curls that I wanted all the curls to coat into the middle of the back of the wig. So one side is going in while the other side is going in as well, honey. So no flip up. I just wanted to curl them inward. So which is what I'm doing. You know, if you want to go ahead and try to learn this, go ahead and of course replay this part over and over again. It's really easy to do. It's really easy to do curls like this. You just have to be really patient, and you know, it's all with the flick of the wrist, hunty. Like I said in the last video, flick of the wrist.
Soundstripe. Soundstripe.
So babes, let me know how you like these curls down below. If you would like a separate video of me doing these curls, just only the curls only, go ahead and drop that in the comments below, and I will definitely make that for you babes. I'll do it on longer hair and I'll do it on shorter hair so that you can see the difference as well. So yeah, hunty, all right. So once the curls were done, I did go ahead and comb them out with a big red tail comb, just because I wanted to create a lot more volume within the wig versus just keeping the Shirley Temple curls. You know, the curls work really cute, but hunty, when you comb them out, you get this big like boom look. Like I can't describe it, just watch it, okay honey? All right, it's wonderful, and you get to see all the body and everything. It's just beautiful. It's really beautiful to see how the curls come out and everything. Okay, yes, I'm loving this. Are you loving this, honey? Give it thumbs up. All right, if you are. And last but not least, babes, she is available for sale on my website. I'll put the link in the description below. Her name is Tropica. She ships the same day, so if you purchase today, she ships the same day, as well as you can purchase her on a payment plan, just like the rest of the hair that are on my website. All you have to do is just put 25% down deposit, hunty, and she still ships today. Okay, all right, love you, babes. The rest of the video is just me playing in the hair. Y'all know I like playing in the hair. Okay, all right, that's why I do this. Okay, so I'm gonna go play in the hair, get the hair really good, nice and cute for my photos. And I also put the photos in at the end. Like I said, make sure you like and subscribe, babes. If you haven't already, give the video a thumbs up, turn on those notifications. I would love to see you, babes, come back. Okay, all right, love you, babes. Bye. To make sure that you keep up with all of the new weekly uploads, make sure you follow me on both Facebook and Instagram. I do announce both of those on both the story and the timeline, hunty. Yes, and my kids are calling me, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.